Started at Level Green a year ago. I entered into the internship program over the summer. After I finished up my degree, I came back and started as a manager associate, and I've been here ever since. Everything here is looking good. I think we need a little bit more mulch for this one bed. It's looking kind of low. If we can get that in next week. I'd probably say the most interesting or eye-opening is probably shadowing the crews. It really gives you like a visual of how fast they are getting the jobs done while also like maintaining a nice quality. It helps you better when planning out a schedule. You can know which two jobs you can schedule next to each other, if you'll have time to do a certain enhancement that day or not. It just gives you a better idea mentally of timing and all that.
Landscaping is about not only like being in the field and doing the enhancement. Hi Chris, thank you for joining in today. How are you? I redesigned that whole like the bed and everything, and I sent you the proposal. Working as a manager associate, it is helping me to learn how to deal with the clients and how to engage. It is building my confidence day by day, and everyone are very friendly to me.
The Manager Associate program is the one place where you can honestly mess up without having to fear that you're messing up completely. Can you move that pen over there, please? I'm probably gonna be with the client today and I wanna present it to them. I had a lot of help from my branch managers and my operation managers, and it was good to see how to make decisions working with them together and as to why they did it, and always making sure we do the right thing.
Los tengo creo para el lunes o el martes, no sé cuándo los
El
tengo.
lunes,
Ahorita
martes.
checa el schedule, sí.
Okay.
Pero sí los tengo todos esos listos.
Okay.
Vamos a cobrar.
It never ceases to amaze me how the guys at Level Green are. It doesn't matter big or small, they're always willing to help.
I got a chance to work with all the branches, and everyone are like supportive.
They teach you a lot. They make it fun to learn too, so you'll enjoy coming back. It's not just like a regular 9 to 5. It's just you're doing something new every day. I have to go because we're on a time crunch. We're filming the manager associate video right now.
Just remember us all when you're big time and on the internet.
I will, don't worry.